Bruxism is the clenching or grinding of the teeth, which often occurs while a person is sleeping. When you brux, the force of your teeth is many times greater than during normal chewing. These forces can cause flattened or worn down teeth, teeth chipped at the gum line, fractured teeth, loose teeth, and damage to the jawbone or jaw joints. You may also notice some of the symptoms of bruxism, such as a sore, tired jaw, difficulty in opening and closing, sensitive teeth, earaches, headaches, or pain in your jaw joints, or you may notice no symptoms at all. Though all of the causes of bruxism are not known, stress is often a factor. If this is the case, a variety of stress reduction techniques may be recommended. We may also recommend medication to temporarily reduce stress and relieve pain. Sometimes missing teeth, worn teeth, or teeth that are out of alignment may cause grinding and clenching. In this case, bridges, crowns, equilibration, orthodontics, or other dental treatments can restore your bite and eliminate grinding and clenching. A common and effective treatment for stopping the damage caused by bruxism is the use of a night guard. This is a plastic device that fits over your top or bottom teeth and absorbs the forces caused by grinding. A custom night guard, made from models of your teeth, usually offers the most effective and comfortable protection. No matter what is causing your bruxism, it's important to treat it early on to prevent damage and restore harmony to your mouth.